Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transform any video into anime with Domo AI. It's a really powerful AI tool that also allows you to generate images from text prompts, add motion to still images, and turn an anime image into a real photo. If this sounds interesting, let's get started. To begin, head to the Domo AI website. Once you are there, click on Start in Discord. Domo AI has 4 main features, including video to other anime styles, text to image, image to video, and anime to realism. To try these features, select one of the generate video channels and then come down here. First, I'll show you how to transform regular videos into mind-blowing AI animations. For that, type /video and click on the feature. Now drag or upload your video into the chat and type a prompt that describes the video. Then hit enter. Now you need to select a style. Domo AI offers 8 different styles divided into 2 categories including anime and illustration. In the anime category you have flat color anime, Japanese anime, live anime and Chinese ink painting. On the illustration side, you get 3D cartoon style, comic style, pixel style, storybook cartoon, color illustration, Grand Theft game, paper art style, and fan host style. For this video, I'll go with the flat color anime style. You can then tell the AI to refer to the source video more or to the prompt. I'll keep it to the source video. Next, select the duration of your video. The average waiting time for a 3-second video is 4 minutes, a 5-second video is 7 minutes, and a 10-second video is up to 14 minutes. The 20-second video is available for pro users only. Let's go with a 3-second video duration. Next, I'll show you how to use the text to image feature in Domo AI. Type /, select gen, input your prompt, and choose a model. There are 18 different styles. I'll go with the Japanese anime style. In this step, I'll show you how to use the image to video feature. Type /animate, click on it, drag and drop your image and hit enter. Now choose the motion intensity and duration. Finally, let's try the anime to realism. Type /real, click on it, drop your anime image and hit enter. In terms of pricing, Domo AI offers a one-time 45 free credits upon starting. If you run out, you need to subscribe to a paid plan. So that was all about today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.